this world of technology, there are some inventions that you must see at least once. When you see these inventions, you'll feel like you're watching a science fiction movie. They are nothing less than pure imagination come to life. Number 1. The SVD Slipstream Elite. What are you thinking after seeing this flying machine? This isn't from a science fiction movie, it's absolutely real. Let me introduce you to the most advanced flying vehicle in the world, the Slipstream Elite, developed by the Australian company HVTO. The Slipstream lifts off using 4 powerful engines, each built with cutting-edge plasma and next-gen technology. Each engine contains 3 motors, totaling 12 motors overall. This flying craft can take off vertically at a 90-degree angle, hover in place, rotate mid-air, and move in any direction. Its top speed, a staggering 376 kilometers per hour. Number 2. The HVTO Trinity. The cars of the future won't run on roads, they'll fly through the skies. And the HVTO Trinity is the first step into that future. It can fly continuously at a speed of 354 kilometers per hour, and it recharges itself in just 8 seconds. The entire vehicle is controlled by an AI-powered system, making the experience fully automated. Amazing, right? This kind of technology truly feels unbelievable. Number 3. Acrobatic Racing Drone. This isn't your average drone. This is the stuntman of the skies. The acrobatic racing drone can perform moves so jaw-dropping, you'll be left wondering, is this even real? It zips through the air in the blink of an eye, flips, rolls, and dives mid-flight, and it's absolutely mind-blowing to watch. These drones aren't just built to fly, they're made to perform stunts in the sky. With insane speed, rapid spins, and race-ready agility, FPV, first-person view, drones don't just amaze, they awaken the thrill-seeker inside you. These drones can fly at speeds of over 100 kilometers per hour, and within seconds, pull off rolls, flips, and power dives. In competitions, they bring high voltage racing to the skies like never before. Number 4. The Lever LRS Log Handler and P&H Mining Giant. This massive machine, known as the Lever LRS Log Handler, is specially designed for lifting and moving large logs and timber. It looks like a giant hydraulic crane, equipped with a powerful front arm capable of grabbing and lifting enormous wooden trunks. And when we talk about truly gigantic machines, we cannot miss the P&H Mining Excavator, one of the largest mining machines on Earth. This electric-powered beast is built for heavy-duty mining operations. Extracting valuable, enormous bucket can scoop up nearly 80 tons of earth or ore in one go. That's more than what a small truck can carry. Despite its size, it's eco-friendly, runs on electricity, and can operate non-stop for long durations. Thanks to its robust cable system and powerful hydraulics, it's incredibly reliable. Machines like these are the silent giants driving the backbone of modern mining and industry. Number 5. Ordinary Excavator. This is no ordinary excavator. What makes this machine special is its incredible reach. Where normal excavators fail to go, the R9250 gets the job done with ease. It's used in massive open pit mines, river dredging, and clearing huge dump zones. This machine is built to dig deep and far, making it perfect for tough terrains and hard-to-reach mineral zones. It's truly a technological marvel that makes extracting resources from difficult areas much easier. Think of it as the machine that conquers distant depths.